We will do question number 6 of NCERT exercise 2.2 in this video. So let's start this video. We have to multiply this number and express as a mixed fraction. Means we have to multiply 3 by 5, 1 upon 5, and whatever the answer we will get, we will convert that answer into the mixed fraction. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction so that we can easily multiply that number with the 3. So convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction is how we will convert. We have to multiply this 5 by 5, that is 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and 25 plus 1 is 26. So our answer is 26 upon 5. Now we can easily multiply this 26 upon 5 with 3. So in the next step, 3 multiplied by 26 upon 5, and we can represent 3 as 3 upon 1. And in the next step, what we will do, we will multiply the numerator values with each other and the denominator values with each other. So if I multiply 26 by 3, I will get the answer 78, and 78 upon 5. And we have to divide 78 with the 5, that is 5 1 ja 5, and 2 is remaining left, 28, and 5 5 ja 25, and 3 is the remainder. So we will put the remainder into the numerator position, and this divisor 5 will be in the denominator position, and this 15, that is the answer, will put here. So our answer is 15 3 upon 5. Because they are saying that we have to convert the answer into the mixed fraction. This is the mixed fraction. And if you don't know what is mixed fraction, you can watch my first video of this chapter. Now we have to multiply 5 by 6 3 upon 4. First we will solve this, and whatever the answer we will get, we will multiply that answer with this 5. So convert the given mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That is 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, and 24 plus 3 is 27. So our answer is 27 upon 4. Now we will multiply this 27 upon 4 by 5, and I will represent 5 as 5 upon 1. And in the next step, I will multiply the numerator values with each other and the denominator values with each other. So if I multiply 27 by 5, I will get the answer 135. And if you don't know the table of 27, 99% students do not know the table of 27. Even I don't know the table of 27. So how I will multiply 27 by 5 in a very quick manner, I will tell you. You can watch my tips and tricks video of tables. Go to my channel and watch the playlist of how to become a human calculator, and there you will find the table videos. So I can assume this 2 as 20, that is 20 multiplied by 5 is 100, and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So 100 plus 35 is 135. So our answer would be 135. So we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. So how we will do this, we have to divide 135 by 4, that is 4 3 ja 12, and 1 is remaining left, 15, and 4 3 ja 12 again, and 3 is remaining as a remainder. So this remainder will put into the numerator position, and this 4 will put into the denominator position, and this 33 will be here. So our answer would be 33 3 upon 4. So our C part is, first we will solve this, that is 2 1 upon 4, and whatever the answer we will get, we will multiply that answer with this 7. That is 4 multiplied 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 9 upon 4. Now we will multiply 9 upon 4 with this 7. So I can represent this 7 as 7 upon 1. And in the next step, what I will do, I will multiply the numerators value with each other and the denominator values with each other. So 9 7 is 63, and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Now I have to convert this into a mixed fraction. That is, I have to divide 63 by 4, and 4 1 ja 4, and 2 is remaining left, 23, and 4 5 ja 20, and 3 is a remainder. So we will put remainder into the numerator position, and this 4 is here, and this 15 will remain as it is. That is, our answer would be 15 3 upon 4. And in the next video, we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.